everybody, welcome on the subscribe reviews and files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm a little upset because I've been up for the past hour trying to fix everything. When you are playing Sims, please remember to save. I'm glad I didn't get so deep into her character because this is Avia or Avia. Oh, Avia sounds nice too. Or Avia. So Avia, or Avia. You may hear me call her all three because I'm just trying to figure out which one is best or which one to stick to, but I guess she'll answer to either three, but I don't know. We shall see. But anyway, I digress. So this is not Josie. By the time you see this, I'm going to be well into her, world. But I decided to make 5 girls, and I made, I saw a nice penthouse that I put in San Myshuno / New York City, and it's too laggy, it's too big, and I decided I don't want this. I was like, I want, them to have their own apartment and house or whatever like that, because I was going to make them, strip at a strip club. That's why, I made her but anyway, and she got the long nails, stuff like that. But then I'm like, I want her to live in this nice little plant house or whatever. I'm going to give y'all a tour in a minute. And plus I got everything situated the way I want to, but I don't have that much clutter. This house is basically, whatever. So it's cool. But, I was going to say, yeah. So when she first moved here the first time, before everything didn't get saved, I did save it. As a matter of fact, I saved y'all. Braylon he didn't knock on the door, but I saw him pop up. I'm like, you don't live here. How are you popping up? Then there was no welcome wagon. I'm like, what? And I don't think nobody lives in the other apartment because there's another apartment beside this one or upstairs, whatever like that. So I didn't put nobody in there, but I thought Braylon was there. But I'm like, Braylon lives where Josie live at. So what? So anyway, I digress. So yeah, so that's it with that. So she's on the phone with one of the girls from the house because it was 5 of them, and they all had strep throat. I had to put them into the weed man's house, which is Cayenne. If y'all following Ezekiel and Aaliyah's story, they live in Oasis. They had to do the same thing basically. But anyway, so I guess Cayenne and his wife, or whoever that lady is that lives with him, had strep throat. So they all ended up with strep throat. So they all had to go to the doctor, and they all had to take some medicine. And I believe they all are allergic to something. So she don't take her allergies that much. I'm sorry. She don't take a pill that much, but she will take it today because I just thought about it like that. She didn't take a pill. She just started her menstrual. Girl ain't had no pads, no nothing. I was just like, this girl is just all over the place. She got strep throat. She on her period. She was cramping. She ain't had no chill pills. She was just done. So I'm recording this in the morning before I go to work, and I only have a few minutes, and I know you don't play Sims for that long, but I was playing this way before, and plus I'm just recording and introducing to y'all her character. Okay, so basically she is patient Laura poked and protected. She had went to the doctor, so I don't understand with the private practice, every time they go to the doctor they get a flu shot. Like, dang. But anyway, she did brush her teeth. That's going away. She loves the decorations, and she has 9 more hours with strep throat. I had her drink some tea. I had her drink some spinach. So I don't know what else for her to do. She hasn't been outside, so she won't infect anybody else. And she wants to go out with her girls, but I think I'm going to give them a little minute because they all took their medicine before I left. So hopefully they should be good. So I'll probably give them like a week, because I do not want to get reinfected with that, okay? And that's it. So now she has everything. I had to go into Bill Buy Mode and go buy the stuff because when you order off the computer, apparently you have to wait until it comes in the mail. It doesn't automatically pop into your inventory. So I'm like, oh my goodness. So I didn't even know that. And I didn't want her to go outside because it's cold because, I don't think it's snowing right now. But anyway, I didn't want her to go outside and, so I was like, I'm just going to order it offline. So that's what she did. But boom. Anyway, I digress. So this is Avia. Avia sounds nice too. I didn't even think of that. I just thought about Avia. Let me see. Avia. I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Whichever one is comfortable for me, you know. Anyway, I digress. Okay, so we're gonna go through this. I did get this off the gallery. The name is starts with a Y. I will put it in the description bar below. I'm gonna put the walls up and start going inside. This is the apartment. I believe it's 701 Zen View. All right, and so now we're gonna do the freehand and we're gonna go in. I'm going in. All right, so here we are. This is the first floor. As you can see, it's a whole bunch of plants. So she is a plant lover, okay? I have to get her into gardening, but living in the city, I don't know how, but she will find a way, okay? So maybe there's like a gardening spot or something. I don't have eco living style. I mean, you don't have to have that. Gardening been in Sims for a long time. So I'm gonna try to find like a gardening shop or something to where she could do some gardening there, or whatever the case is. And you know, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but you know, so she can she just like plants or whatever. All right, so I put the thermostat there. That is from Ravisheen, and that clutter has been there. It's a lot of nice clutter. This is a no CC house, okay? I got it from the gallery. I like to have the no CC. Oh, let's look at the view. The view is so beautiful. Look, let's go. Let's not fall out the window. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh y'all. Ooh. I don't know. You know that feeling like you feel like you're gonna fall out the window? That's how I be feeling. That's how I felt just now. I don't know why it'd be like that, okay? So she has a perfect view, very nice view. The reason why I put this right here, because the last time when I was playing her computer upstairs wasn't working, but it's because all the clutter that was on the desk, and it wasn't my clutter, it was like the clutter that they had, so I guess it was too much, so I had to like remove some of it so she could get to it. So for some reason she couldn't get to it. So anyway, you know how they wave their hand with the little, you know, the exclamation mark. I'm like, okay. So anyway, this is it, like Michael Jackson. Yes. Oh, Michael Jackson's birthday was yesterday. Okay, anyway. Yes. Happy birthday to him and RIP. But yes, I know that was random, but yes. So anyway, so basically there was a microwave right here, but I took it off. Oh, she got to clean that off. That was a spinach cup. Okay, I just put the blender there. I didn't really put no clutter. The last time I had some rolls there, but I didn't even go into the rolls because I was tired. That's a coffee. That cup been there, and that other clutter has been there too. The teapot I just got as well, and that has been there. So yeah, so that's this floor here. So as you got, I'm so tired of this doing this. All right, so yeah, so I had to put these little bars here, and that's CC. Some of these flowers are CC, because that's how they had it. They had bars, but obviously I don't have all the packs, so there was some white. These chairs were white, so this chair, not this chair, but those two chairs were white. See that white thing? I have to fix that, because I don't have all the packs. Okay, so that's just me. All right. So anyway, we're gonna go up the stairs. I forgot to go up the stairs. It's not Q. Which one is it? Oh damn, I know it wasn't Q. S D. Oh, E. Okay, it's E. Oh Lord, how am I gonna go up the stairs and I don't have the upstairs thing? Okay. All right. Anyway, all right. I tried to be smooth with it, but obviously that did not work. Okay, but anyway, I'm still getting used to this freehand camera, but I'm doing pretty better, a little bit. Oh look, better than before. Come on, y'all. Okay. All right, so this is what it looks like with all the walls up. I understand now when you look at it, you do like playing with the walls is aesthetically pleasing because it looks realistic and stuff like that. But at the same time, it could get in the way and you get lost just now. Look. All right, so I ain't want those color chairs. Are they white or green? I don't know. I mean, I guess they kind of fit. I don't like green in real life, but it's not me. This is the sim, so. It fits though. I thought it was white. I don't know. It looked like a light green, but okay, whatever. We're just gonna leave it. I don't care at this point. Okay, so anyway, I had to add the stairs because the stairs wasn't there. So I had those stairs. I had to add the washing machine because she didn't have a washing machine, so I had to stick it somewhere. So I guess that's where it could fit. There's a lot of lanterns and stuff like that, which I think is pretty cool. So I left all that. I left this. I had to decide between 2 rooms. So she's gonna have like a guest room. So if anybody wants to sleep over or crash out, if she has like a little get together or something like that, nothing too big because this place is not as big, then yeah. But this is her room here. And oh, this is what she's talking about. Okay, I have to get rid of that. I was like, what is she smelling in her room or whatever? So that's what that is. When I see stuff like that, that's in the house already, I know that they play tested it, which is pretty cool because it's like, okay, this house is not buggy. They tested it out. They saw what was going on, and it's cool and copacetic. Okay. Oh, we got the City Girls Visa card on the floor. She needs to pick that up because she needs to do that when it's time to go. Oh, she's gonna go to bubble tea. So I think when I come back from work, I will have her go to bubble tea. But right now, she's enjoying the view and everything of the sort. Okay. So this is her nice view right here. So we're gonna go out the window just a little bit, just a little tad. Oh, we're gonna fall out. Oh. Okay, so anyway, that's scary, y'all. Okay, so y'all always let me look down a little bit, look down a little bit. Okay, so there we are. That's where they have the festival and stuff like that. When they always ask you to go somewhere and you want to go, bring your friends along if you want to, or whatever like that. All right, so she's right in the heart of it. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool, and she likes the fact that she's in the heart of New York City. Okay. So anyway, this is the second room now. I know this is floating. Don't come for me. Just pretend that it's not happening. Okay, I will take that off. I thought that was cute and clutter and yeah. So that's full. Oh, I didn't notice that was floating too. Okay, we got some floating items here. Please ignore that. Okay, I will fix that at a later date. So yeah, so this room, I didn't want this room because I like the other room because the view is better. Now I thought about it because I was trying to see which room was bigger, but this room didn't have the nice view that I really wanted. So yeah, that's about it. But I do like this chair though. I'll probably grab it and put it in there. If not, that's okay. But as you guys know, in apartments you cannot add windows, I don't think. So yeah, so whatever windows you get, that's the windows you get. Okay, so now we're on the outside on the balcony. This is the most beautifulest view in the world. I should put like a little laptop out here, so if she wanna, yeah, y'all, that's what I'm about to do. She gonna have like 3 computers, but she got enough money. She got an inheritance and won the lottery. That's what I'm gonna say. I had to cheat up everything so I could get her out the house. So anyway, basically, I hope you guys can hear me because I'm not that close to the microwave. I said microwave, Lord, to the microphone. I apologize, but yeah. So anyway, so that's it for that, and then she has that, and that's just it. I left everything as is out here. I did not touch anything. This is how it was. This is how it came. I did not touch nothing. I will, like I said, I will put a little laptop out here. I don't know, that laptop that they got, I think is cute, but it's like $4,000. But she got the money though, so it's cool. So I'm gonna look at the computer and see what's going on or whatever like that. I just want to bring the money down so she can, so it could be like a little bit more realistic or whatever. But again, it's either she won the lottery or she got some inheritance, but she does not have a family at the moment. Okay, a family is moving in slowly, so I have to make some people. So I'll probably make her sister or a brother or something like that. Okay. All right. Oh Lord, I was about to go out to see. That's why I don't like the walls because I don't know where I'm going. Okay, so all right, so yeah, okay, we saw that. Okay, so yeah, so I think we are pretty much done. Let me go down. Okay, how you go now? Okay, now go down. We're going down the stairs. Okay, we're going downstairs. Okay, kudos to y'all that know how to do it like smooth criminal, because I don't know how to do it. It's like smooth criminal. Oh, why is it like that? Oh, because it's nighttime, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, hey, what just happened here? Oh God. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, y'all. Okay, I was in the wrong apartment. I was in the wrong apartment. I was like, wait a minute, why her windows like that? Because it's nighttime. I'm like, they look foggy. I was in the wrong thing. I thought I came downstairs. Okay, anyway, sorry y'all. But here we are. That is it. So this is oh, I was about to call her Jessla. This is Avia, whatever. Anyway, all right. So I customized her using the what is it? Not Northern Lights. What is it? Oh, starts with an N. Oh, I forgot. Dang. Yeah, I know it's a popular CC that's out there for the cat. I mean, not cats, for the skins, the overlays. Come on, y'all. Is it not Norwegian? What is it? Oh Lord. Anyway, it starts with an M. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all. So yeah, so that is it. The next time I'll do a let's play with y'all. I just wanted to introduce y'all to her. I apologize for the air conditioner because it was hot earlier, so I had it on. Now I'm about to get ready for work. I don't want to. I really want to stay home and play Sims. Yes, I really do. That's exactly the day I like to have today. Because it looks like it's all rainy, so playing the Sims is gonna be all cozy, and it's kind of like the aesthetic. So let me know if y'all like this. So she's a plant lover, obviously. The aesthetics is aestheticing, okay? And I know, whatever, but it's y'all get it, okay? To those that get it, okay? And hopefully by the time we come back, her strep throat is gone. I'm not gonna go anywhere because she does have strep throat, and I don't want to pass it around. So once the strep throat moodlet is gone, then I'll let her go out. But right now she's enjoying her house and everything. I'm gonna put the little laptop out there so she can have it out there. So if she wanna be on the outside and whatever, but I'm not gonna put it right now because it is cold outside. So I was thinking about putting a grill, one of those little grills outside. So I might do that. And whatever the case is, but other than that, I like it. I don't want it to be too cluttered up. I got little clutter stuff, but nothing too much. She's like, very nice and neat. Not saying that the clutter make you all messy or whatever, but I'm just saying, like, I like the way it's looking. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to give. You see what I'm saying? So this person did a good job on this apartment. All right, sorry y'all, there is no gameplay here. Just wanted to show you guys the next video will be gameplay, and we're really gonna get into Avia. Is it Avia? I'm trying not to say because I don't want it to. What's the water name? Avino? Not Avino. I don't know, but oops. Oh, look. Oh God. Okay, sorry y'all. Okay, so anyway, I can't wait to get my new computer because the graphics will be way better. So please don't even come for me. Do not judge me, because I'm not judging you. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I don't want to go to work. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful blessed day. What's time when watching this? And also I did put the strip club down. I'm telling y'all, like I told y'all I was gonna do that. I didn't even tell y'all, so I'm telling y'all now. And that was the purpose of having the 5 girls in the house, because they was all gonna be working at the strip club, but I didn't want to do that. And I saw this apartment, I was like, I'm gonna put her in there, and she was the first girl I made. So yeah, all right. So I'll talk to you guys later. I want to have a blessed day, watching this, and peace. Bye.